When I first sat down with Amie to discuss what her needs were, she was letting me know that she was looking at doing some home improvement projects around her house. So originally we started off deciding that we were going to do a home equity loan.
So I was hoping to do a home equity loan, just quick, $12,000, something like that. But then it turned into a bigger project. I had a few roof issues and I had it looked at and then was told that basically there was some leaking and I really needed to have the whole roof done.
And so at that time we decided it'd make more sense for her just to have one loan, and so we decided to go ahead and do a cash out refinance, putting it all into just one loan for her convenience, so she would just have to make one payment.
So Julie just really took over and just put my mind at ease. I really wasn't sure what to do when I found out I needed the roof. With the economy right now and with how hard it is to find contractors and how much all the materials have went up, it was definitely a stress. But Julie just would email me, she would call me. I mean, if I reached out to her, she would email me back like within probably an hour or two. So she just pretty much laid out all my options for me.
In the end, we were able to simplify her finances and save her money. I'm excited that Jessica Shorts joined our team at Citizens National Bank now, so we're able to even help more families fulfill their dreams.
Being born and raised in Defiance, Ohio, I love being part of the community. I love helping everybody in the community. With over 20 years banking experience, I'm very excited to be part of the Citizens National Bank team to help people purchase homes, refinance, and fulfill their financial needs.
I really enjoyed working with Julie and the whole team at Citizens National Bank, and it's just been a wonderful experience.